Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to set wallpaper change automatically on iPhone on iOS devices. If you want to set wallpaper setting automatically on iPhone, so keep watching this video until the end. So guys, first of all open Safari on your iPhone and search pixels.com and download the iPhone wallpaper copyright free. Here you can see appears on screen iPhone wallpaper. You can download copyright free wallpaper for your iPhone. So guys, I have already downloaded. So close this window and open setting application on your iPhone screen and scroll down and tap on wallpaper and tap on add new wallpaper. Tap on photo shuffle here, and now guys, here are many options. Simply tap on album, tap on it, and now guys, select photo manually, and here is simply tap on album top right corner and tap on recents where you are downloaded the iPhone wallpaper. To select the wallpaper which you want to add in automatically settings, simply tap on add top right corner. Here you can see. Now guys, simply tap on three dots, select when your wallpaper change here, and simply tap on add. You can see, wait for some second. Now guys, simply tap on customize home screen. After that, simply tap on turn off blur. You can see appears on screen. Now simply tap on done top right corner. Now guys, my wallpaper automatically change every lock screen on my iPhone. You can see appears on screen. My wallpaper change on my lock screen. Here you can see appears on screen. Here my automatically change. You can set your automatically change wallpaper on your iPhone by this method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.